Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today, as you can see, I do have the Samsung S21 Ultra with the shutter screen, and I'm going to tell you how to turn off this phone without touchscreen. At first, prepare yourselves a cable, which is the USB Type A to Type C, and plug this into your PC. The second part of the cable, plug into your phone. Now, when we do have our cable inserted, we have to proceed to the next step. But as you can see, here we don't have the display working, so we have to do this with the buttons only. To do so, hold the volume down button and volume down and the power until you see that screen goes off. And when it goes off, quickly just do the volume up and power. Just replace the volume down to the volume up and still hold the power. Now, as I can say, I don't know why the Android recovery is so small, but now we are 10 clicks away from powering off our phone. To power off your phone completely, click the volume down button 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I'm telling you the 10 times for those who whose display doesn't work at all, but they know that they are in the recovery because, for example, here they do have the broken display or something like that. To confirm, click click the power button on the power off. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.